Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Switzerland.
Zurich.
Happy birthday! Zurich is having chocolate for the first time. Do you like the Swiss chocolate? Oh, it's Zurich's birthday. We are in Switzerland.
In Zurich.
Zurich.
So guys, now we are at Interlaken OST and we are at the Grindelwald terminal. So we are heading to Grindelwald and we are all excited to stay there for next 3 days. We are here celebrating Zurich's first birthday and Zurich is right here. This boy has been a naughty boy. Zurich has been a naughty boy. Huh, naughty boy? Okay. So we are waiting for a train which comes in next 20 minutes. Hello guys, are you excited at Grindelwald? My god, what a light. Look at this. Oh my god. Naturally. Hi guys, so welcome to our Airbnb in Switzerland. It's called Orion. It's one of the biggest chalets in Grindelwald. So let me show you around. This is our Airbnb. It looks stunning and this is the Jungfrau region on the top. It can't get more beautiful in this. So
It looks straight out of a fairy tale, guys. I mean, I can't believe it that I'm staying here with these views. Oh my god.
it can't be better than celebrating Zurich's birthday here. So
He's loving it here. The views are awesome. The weather is so nice and chilly. And yeah, we're shooting some nice content. We've got a drone, we've got a phone. Let's see what we can capture.
let's show you the Airbnb. Let's go.
So this is the elevator. And we are staying in a penthouse kind of a thing. We have 2 floors to us. This is the 2nd floor. And we also have the entire 3rd floor to ourselves. It's a huge chalet. Got a huge dining area here. This is the kitchen area. We've got a small cute dining table here. The kitchen is so pretty, guys. With completely white cabinets, glossy finish, and we have a huge balcony outside which connects the kitchen, the living room, and it also runs down to the garden. So this is the whole living room and everybody is chilling outside with Zurich. Zurich is celebrating his birthday here. Hi Zurich! Moving up to the bedrooms. We have 4 bedrooms here. I love how spacious this whole chalet is. I've got this is my bedroom and I've got that walk-in wardrobe right next to it. A gorgeous bathroom here which has a bathtub. And we have the elevator coming to this floor as well. This is the 3rd floor of the chalet. And there are 2 bedrooms here. This one is where Zini is staying. This is where mom and dad are staying. It's got that ceiling view. Alright guys, so this is the cute Airbnb that we are staying in. And yeah, now we'll be heading out. So keep watching.
So that's our Airbnb right there and we are here. First day in Grindelwald in the evening. We are out, we are just going to the city center. We are just going to a bar, just walk around. Such a beautiful place. It looks out of a painting. Wow. just exploring the Grindelwald village, just close to the train station, and there are few bars over here. Such a beautiful town. It's one of the popular bar called Avocado Bar. All the towns in Switzerland are so beautiful. It's like a fairy tale. It's just out of a painting. It's so good. I mean, you can just keep on coming and you get never bored of it. You can just spend your time, walk around, have a good life, quiet life over here. Yeah, that's why it's my favorite destination. So now we are going in the gondola, top of Grindelwald, and it's a 25 minutes ride. Guys, finally we are in gondola. So we are at top of Grindelwald. Mom is enjoying some beer. Dimpy is here and Zurich is here. Zurich, birthday boy.
Having milky. Birthday boy is drinking milky.
Okay.
He's busy.
And Zini is right here. My God, this is magical. Oh my God, this is so good. The best, perfect European holiday in Switzerland. Cheers. Happy birthday, Zurich.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Zurich!
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Wait. Happy birthday to you.
Zurich, no!
Brand new moon and brand new sun.
Good morning from Grindelwald, and Zurich is all ready to go out. Okay, first we'll just go out in the balcony. Zurich, what are those, Zurich? Those are the mountains over there. These are trees. These are nice houses. Now we are heading to Lauterbronn, just waiting for our train at the Grindelwald station. So now I think it's 12 p.m. We're heading to Lauterbronn. Spend the whole day there, then come back to our Airbnb because it's a nice place. There's a lot of things to do. I think it's famous for a river, waterfall, sorry. And yeah, just spend the day. And tomorrow we are heading to Zurich. This is one of the most visited part. Like when people come to Grindelwald, they come for a one-day trip over here. So beautiful. I think Lauterbronn is mostly famous for the waterfalls, and a lot of people come here for a day trip. Yeah, so we've come here. It's just, I think, 45 minutes from Grindelwald, 20 minutes from Interlaken OST. So yeah, we are here. Big queue, so many tourists lined up just for the waterfall over there. Finally, we are at the Stoppbach Fall.
I don't even know how to pronounce it, but yeah, it's Stoppbach.
We are having the hot chocolate and cappuccino right outside the Lauterbronn waterfall, the famous waterfall.
We're chilling at this really cool spot in Lauterbronn, and this is my drink, Prosecco. Cheers!
Cheers, guys.
Cheers! Everybody's enjoying a drink with the view of the waterfall. Just look at that. Wow. Yes.
Guys, welcome to our Airbnb in Zurich. We are staying here for the next 4 days. Wow, look at the stunning interiors. I mean, we've stayed here a couple of years back when we came to Zurich, and this time again we are staying here. But this is on the 3rd floor. I love the interiors. It's totally black dark aesthetics. This is the bedroom. That's also one more bedroom. So guys, we just arrived at Zurich and we are staying at Bahnhofstrasse. It's very close to the central train station. We are having the best pizza in town, which is Sam's Pizza. We've ordered the pizza right here. So good morning guys, the second day in Zurich. Wow, so good to be back, and we are at the famous Bahnhofstrasse. All ready, we are just waiting for everyone, then we are just going on a city walk. We'll just go to the old town. My god, this is so good. I love this city. You can see that's the main train station. We are staying right here, and yeah, it's a beautiful day in Zurich. But yeah, it's always good to be back. So we are in Bahnhofstrasse and Zurich is right here. Come.
So many stores here to shop. This is the main street here, so it has all the luxury stores and restaurants, and it's a very nice vibe walking here. Weather is so good. Loving our looks.
Yes. Good morning guys, so now we are heading to Lucerne. First we are going to Mount Titlis and then we'll be going to Lucerne. So yeah, it's a long day today exploring, because these are very close to Zurich. It's just 1.5 a couple of hours. Mount Titlis. Lucerne is just 40 minutes from Zurich. We're just exploring this and yeah, looking forward to spend the day. What's the weekend plan?
We have to reach just 2 days now.
We are in Engelberg right now. So that's the cable car station and we are gonna go up right there to Mount Titlis. Excited to go to Mount Titlis.
Yes. We and the Ganchula going up. What views, man? So look at this.
Feels like I'm waiting, like I'm watching you for love. Dreams where I'm fading.
As our journey through Switzerland comes to an end, I am reminded it's not just the places that make a trip unforgettable, it's the people you share them with. From snow-dusted mornings in Grindelwald to quiet sunsets by the lake, every frame holds a piece of us, our laughter, our wonder, our moments of pause. Switzerland gave us more than just views, it gave us memories we'll keep revisiting for a lifetime. Traveling with family is different. You slow down, you see more, you feel more. And as we head home, I carry one simple thought. Time spent together is the most beautiful luxury there is. Until the next adventure, this chapter in Switzerland will always have our hearts.